got way too caught up in this space with you. We laid up at 2 a.m. then talking about what's the move. I usually don't hesitate.